If your Instagram stories look blurry after you upload them on Android, the issue may be caused by compression or poor internet connection or incorrect settings. And here's how you can fix it. First of all, you have to check your internet connection, switch networks, use a strong Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data, and then run a speed test to check for stable upload speeds. Blurry uploads can happen if Instagram lowers the quality due to poor connectivity. And you can also adjust the camera settings. Make sure that your phone's camera is set to highest resolution. Open your camera app on your device and then go to its settings. And then toggle the switch for high efficiency videos. And also enable the auto HDR options. And then set the video quality to the highest available. When you're posting a story, stop and avoid zooming in. Zooming while taking a story can reduce picture or video quality. Instead, move closer to what you're capturing or use a native aspect ratio to maintain the clarity. And also try updating the Instagram application. For that, open Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram and then tap on Update to update it to its latest version available. You can also adjust the Instagram app settings. Turn on high quality uploads if the option is available while posting. And some Android devices compress images and videos by default. So use a third-party camera app like Open Camera for better control over resolution and compression. Adjust the settings to minimize compression and maintain quality. And be careful that uploading from your gallery might lead to compression. Instead of using your phone's gallery, record and upload directly using the Instagram camera. And that will help you fix the problem. And also check if the problem is specific to your device. Log into your Instagram or another Android phone and try uploading a story. If it looks clear on the other device, you may need to adjust your phone's hardware or settings. And if you've tried everything and the problem still persists, go to Settings on Instagram, scroll all the way down and go to Help. From here, tap on Report a Problem, and then describe your issue and attach any screenshots or examples. By following the simple steps, you can troubleshoot why your Instagram stories appear blurry after uploading on Android. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.